Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. Here's a soundbite like Dick Gordon sa Senate. He wants to be the man. You gotta be the man to be the man. You gotta beat the man to be the man. Sino bang tatalunin mo si Duterte? President Duterte is not going to listen to you, Dick Gordon. I'm sure that your words are also, that's a power of words, but Duterte will read the words. Duterte can hear your words. Dalawang bagay lang. Either he's going to listen to it, or he will not, or he ignores what you're saying, or he will respond positively to what you're saying. Ano sinabi ni Dick Gordon? Hindi raw siya pabor. Well, you can say hindi ka pabor. That's fine. You can say na mali ang ginagawa ni Duterte. That's fine. You're entitled to your own opinion. But in the end, kasi lumapit daw kasi mga Amerikano kay Gordon at sinasabi, ano ba nangyayari? Well, ang sagot naman ni Gordon, iba yung words at iba yung action. There's two different things. You can talk your talk, but you gotta be able to walk your talk. Get what I'm saying? Hindi puro satsat ng satsat, bandang dulo. Kinakailangan gawa ng gawa, hindi puro ngak-ngak ng ngak-ngak. So, but anyway, yun hong sagot ni Dick Gordon, which is good naman doon sa mga Amerikano, si Gordon mo naman, tatay niya na Amerikano. So, naturalmente, masasaktan. So, sinabi niya lang, that's just mga palabra lang yan.